he will. He'll
Edward,
balloon.
put that silly thing away. That is
Watch, I wish I could balance her watch.
Dress your knees.
Edward gets way too excited with that.
Dresser of it.
Sorry guys, indecent exposure.
Where do they sell those?
I keep saying it's not.
Edward bought it.
Edward bought it. He'll know.
You baby me.
You bought it.
And she's a bitch too.
Come on. That's what I thought. Come on. That's what I thought.
And she got no hair.
Stop bitch, you bitch. You dirty whore. Cut it out.
Watch your nipples. You might pop them.
Oh, Edward.
Hey, you went and threw a man in the
Ah,
nose.
give her CPR. She's dying over here.
She's baby or she's dying.
Edward, you know what CPR stands for?
Dime.
Dime ese.
Chorapola.
Hey.
No, they didn't sell any people.
Blow her up. She looks all bad.
Don't mess her up. Grace's gonna need her here pretty quick.
Vegas? I know I'm not.
I don't
But
think
is he trying to make a good
Marilyn
impression
Monroe
because
that.
he...
Well, if you're not, bro, you've been holding on to that shit pretty good. Because he was rocking, he was really rolling.
Slider, bro.
It was like, boom.
Because I don't know what happened. I thought I was sitting down.
Like you said, you don't need Uncle Cliff, but he's got right.
Imagine if we had a bigger truck.
What time does Domino's close?
1.
Do we should work him straight through?
Yeah, and I should call him back? No, they won't work him straight through.
What do you need it for?
Uh-huh.
That's a lot of hours.
Yeah, it is.
I should hear where you make the money.
Well, that's
Well,
Felicia's
for
way. Well, Felicia's saying, yeah, he's working all night long. Orale!
What did you guys do?
Paul, was your good?
We don't need a gun. We got plenty of beef right here. Shoot.
Oh, he's gonna take a leak like
Everybody.
Stop crying.
I mean, that's not a very nice word.
Oh, you leaving?
Where are the other words? Stupid! Stupid!
You gonna play cards?
So your
Pretty soon.
Pretty soon.
let the games begin.
Let the adults leave. Why don't you just say it?
No, we didn't say that. She's got $5 in quarters.
Woo!
Yeah, but I need $15, so.
You can make it or break it.
So I gotta win some money.
That is a Chevy.
It is an expensive cab.
Thank you. Thank you.
I know it's nice. It sounded like a Ford. That is nice.
How many Fords you been listening to? Obviously none enough.
Obviously. You have to fix, repair daily.
Here's brother Edward. Here's brother Edward.
On the first day of Christmas, a cholo came to me.
Uh-oh. Cholos are coming to me. ¿Cómo?
He's a Pachuco. I thought he was a Cholo.
No, he's a Pachuco.
Chico de al barrio.
Reject.
You know what? I'm not a cholo or a pachuco.
You sure told us, dude.
Can you picture him in a zoot suit?
Wait.
Anybody? Wait. Can anybody picture him in a zoot suit?
You know what?
Slider!
Gil.
What's up, bro?
Hey, Gil.
Slider!
Where's your friend?
What's up, man?
We went to a wedding like that.
Use the one in the bedroom over there.
Funny.
Who are you
One of
calling?
our cousins from
Who are you
the
calling?
ranch had a wedding like that. They look
You
so
said you alone.
See, and they're like wearing white, right? And they got the Pachuco hats. I've seen
yeah,
that.
the Pachuco hat.
Sandy, is that Sandy something or other?
Look like they just
Remember
Oh, I thought you needed to write
Angel,
home.
your friend?
Huh.
Never again look
Man, I got tagged again.
Well, I'm sorry, but
By my
you know that guy that she was going out with? Her, his aunt's daughter got married.
Oh, yeah.
They dress like that.
No, this is...
No, I'm gonna dress when I get married.
You know, but what?
Yeah, with cowboy
Leaving
hat.
that out,
Black ring.
you know how they think they're all holy rollers, that they don't do this, they don't do that. And,
My
Spanking girl!
Who wants to try again?
I'm ready. I'm ready. What do you say? I'm ready. Respect. I love you.
Yeah, you have? This is my aunt.
Yeah, right.
No, she is. That's what they tell me.
I've been doing a lot of yard work.
You're messing up my Bronco hat.
You got
If you don't think you're gonna take that, it's gonna make my hair right. I'm gonna go around.
that week.
I was gonna take one.
Sure.
You weren't gonna take it.
Looks good on you, though. Yeah, I'm sure it does.
Come on. Where's your change?
it's in the truck.
Go get your husband's change.
I love you, Ed.
I don't want to hear it.
I love you. Honey,
That's my
Bonnie.
What?
I love Big Ed.
Bonnie,
What?
you love me again.
Glenn, bring up a chair. We're playing cards.
Okay, get my money.
Hey, Bonnie! Smile!
You know what? I wasted a good cake.
No, it's not wasted. It's all good.
Honey.
Battery is too low. Uh-oh.
I love you, man.
The battery, we got some of it.